Omo, 40k. When I say my withdraw right now, how much appear? 200.
Share tell now say Ghana, Ghana na America for Africans. No, they believe me. See how small Ghana they call small Ghana, so their cities they appreciate. Naira they depreciate.
My people, it don't cast. I say 50,000, almost 450. I call agent now where they send money. They tell me say
something needs to be done. The way the Ghanaian Cedi is beating against the Nigerian Naira, this is not funny anymore. The Nigerian president needs to sit up and do something about it. Nigerians living in Ghana voice out their pain and their frustration how this current Cedi and Naira issue is affecting them so bad living in Ghana. Let's take a look at the video, and please do not forget to like the video and comment your thought below. Please, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, you are highly welcome. Please do not make it your last by subscribing.
Omo, 40k. When I say my withdraw right now, how much appear? 200. Check, see, Alpha, you sure? 280 cedis. Jesus. Look, this thing serious, so. That means I beg. Now only online now we forget mouth. I don't understand. Now online now we forget mouth. I dey tell you, which kind of nonsense be this one, huh? No be Ghana. Before you know now, they'll say that small Ghana. See, after see waiting their money they do now. How person want withdraw 40k, now 280 cedi now go call they remove. Now shame now be this one. I don't feel laugh. The matter they pay me. And the matter they pay me. Why? At least even if na 350 na dey there, but person come dey remove 280 cedis for 40,000 naira when they account. I beg, it's too much.
Share tell now say Ghana, Ghana na America for Africans. No, they believe me. See how small Ghana they call small Ghana, so their cities they appreciate. Naira they depreciate. Dollar self even they depreciate. And this president just entered so, very young and vibrant president just entered so, he never only 6 months to see what that guy they perform. Magic. Come on some tax. The dollar on the drop. Already, farmers are free education already. Before you know, the university will be free in the next 1 or 2 years. And they believe in that man, no be small. I used to the man lived for Nigeria before. His Excellency Mahama, John Mahama Germany, he lived for Nigeria before. His Excellency, I beg, I dey beg you. See, I dey take God beg you, I dey take God beg you. Don't finish your tenure for Ghana. I beg, go Nigeria and collect citizenship. Collect citizenship, finish, come become president for Nigeria. But I will teach Nigeria sense. Go teach the whole full Nigeria, will give them sense. Correct now, TP, I know TP they do for that side. TP just stay there, they squeeze everybody. Why? Nigerian, it takes, see, Nigerian, just drop nuclear bomb. We go start the country again. Drop nuclear bomb, we start the country again. The country don't enter water finish. What's happen? Go see this, they appreciate. Before you know it now, you'll be cedis, $1 will be 5 cedis. Before you know $1 will be 1 cedis. Before you know $1 will be like this, equal. If possible, say dollar will come, cedi will come past dollar safe. T-Pain, learn, I beg.
my people, it don't cast. Now me do just video now. They told me I say 50,000, almost 450. I call agent now where they send money. They tell me say 50,000. Now 415 cedis. 400. You bring out 15 cedis here. From these 50 cedis, you bring out 15 cedis. You go remain 35 cedis. Now put that 15 cedis here, which is 415 cedis. Now be 50,000 naira, which means 830 cedis. Now be 100,000. I tell you, before few months to come, this money where they see, this money now where they see, go become 50,000. My brother, John Mahama, you don't know how I thank you. John Mahama, you yourself, you don't know what they do for Ghanaians, and Ghanaians don't know what they do. What you will be John Mahama. they do for them. You understand? It's very good for we will be foreigner. No way till they do for your people. You understand? For you, John Mahama, you dey try. You dey try. I say you dey try. You understand? Not be because of say we come your country, come they transfer the money. You understand? Everybody must chop. Ghanaians, they Nigeria. They also they chop. They also they transfer their own. They come here. But it may make sense to them somehow. For those who have already, for Ghanaians who have already made it in Nigeria, that are bringing the money to here in Ghana, maybe they have find a choice and the place to stay as a peaceful place for them. But we, where we say, we did the Nigeria, where we say Nigerian government, you know, they treat us well. You understand? Now we know what they find here. And some of us, they get them peacefully. Some, they do mago way, but that one not my business. And they do that mago way. If you see me, now I through my business. I make I tell you, say, your mama, they try. You are an Ibrahim Traore, Ibrahim Traore, Burkina Faso president. We could join hands together, cast this, what do they call them? What do they call this? ECOWAS, more that cast them out. I get ECOWAS passport, it no make sense. Now useless passport so far. A useless passport. Yeah, it is. Make I even show you now. Yeah, it is. I know if you carry this passport, travel go, what do they call it? South Africa, but they call them ECOWAS. I know if you carry this passport, travel, even say for enter flight. You enter flight. I don't know. If you enter flight, I bet drop the comment on the comment section. Drop the comment on this ECOWAS. Make una notice say not my own. Na my own, no. See, na my picture there. See, na my picture there. You understand? I don't know whether it go fit carry enter flight for ECOWAS. For those where they enter flight, make I know whether I go to enter flight with this one. For Nigeria from Lagos to East, this ECOWAS, if you can travel from Lagos to East, where is this all these things? Now nonsense to us. What a life. John Mahama, I beg you to try, I salute you. You're a good man. Only Ghanaians will be reasonable citizens will know what they do for them. Likewise me, I know what they do for Ghanaians. I wish and I feel that you are my president of my country. But still here, you are my president because you are the one ruling me, controlling me, telling me what to do and how the country will be at peace. Your mama, I still respect you. You understand? Right from the olden days, I love you. You understand? Right from the ancient days, I love you. And I love your ancestral spirits. That they need to put at place to work.
First of all, the cedi keeps on appreciating against the dollar. The cedi keeps on doing well against the dollar, which is good news for importers. Now, the thing is, it is not just against the dollar that the cedi is doing very well. The cedi is now bullying the franc CFA, the franc CFA, you know. The cedi is now bullying it, which is very good for traders that will go to Togo to buy goods. Somewhere last year, the CFA was way ahead of the cedis, but now the cedi have overturned it. The cedi is knocking the CFA around, which is good news. We just hope that the appreciation of the cedi against the CFA and the dollar reflects in the prices of goods. So it means those people that change the money as their flower burner, they are the ones that will be angry because they don't like it if the cedi is doing very well. So with the cedi doing very well now, stock your things. Go to Togo, go to a flower border, change the money. Because now the safer, his size is not the cedi. Change your money, go to Ashigame, buy things and bring to Ghana, let's buy. But as you are buying, think about the consumers and reduce the price. Don't go and buy and come and spike the prices. So it's very good. The cedi is doing very well against the dollar and the franc CFA.
At this point, the way the Ghanaian cedi is going against a lot of currency in the world, the way it's going against the pounds, the euros, dollar, Nigerian Naira, a lot of currency is just going down. I will not be surprised if maybe next month 10 cedi will be like $5 because the way it's going, Naira is going to pass dollar very soon. But my own pain in all of this is my Nigerian Naira. It be that one concern me, because Nigerians living in Ghana now, calling money from Nigeria to Ghana is like you are in big pain. Your heart is beating when they tell you the money rates. You feel like, you know what, let me just suffer any I can suffer in Ghana to survive. We are going through a lot, especially the ones that depend on the Nigerian Naira to survive in Ghana. That is why it's good for you to have at least be working in Ghana or have something doing, so you can also have money in cities. But if you are not working in Ghana and you depend on Nigerian money to survive, at this point, it's not going to be easy for them, especially the students. My concern is more of the student because of course, they get money from Nigeria. Their parents or their, guardians support them from Nigeria currency to Ghana Cedi. These are the people I'm even feeling for at the moment because every of their money they spend here in Ghana come from Nigeria Naira. It's not easy, oh. Please, if you're in Nigeria watching this video and you have a brother, a sister who is living in Ghana, a auntie or uncle, at this point, you have to support them because at this point, we need support as we can get. We need it, oh, because if you call some, even 100,000 Naira, you cannot do anything with it here in Ghana again. If I think about it, trust me, I'm not smiling. As you are seeing me here, I am not smiling, crowd. Whenever I call this agent and they tell me they rate, my heart keep beating that, oh my God, what is this? I beg, Tinubu, we need your help. Come to our aid. Try to work on it. At least, if our president in Ghana, Mama, can do it, you also do something about it. Because it's just as if Cedi is not the dollar of Nigerians. That is how it's looking right now. It's not funny anymore. So Nigerians living in Ghana is a trying moment for all of us, especially the ones that depend on Nigerian Naira to survive in Ghana. So please, at this point, do me well by dropping your thoughts on the comment section of what you also think of the video. If you're a Nigerian living in Ghana, tell me your own experience. How are you feeling at the moment? And if you're a Ghanaian, if you're a foreigner, feel free to also drop your comments on the comment section. And please, if you have not liked the video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do me well by liking the video and don't forget to also subscribe to the channel to join this amazing community. And don't forget to turn the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you're not going to miss out on my amazing future content. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now and stay blessed. And I love you guys so much. Bye bye.